Let's start by boiling our vermicelli noodles. Cook according to instructions on the package or until tender. Mine took about 8 minutes. Then drain and rinse with cold water and set aside to dry. Next, cook your peeled and deveined shrimp for about 2 minutes. Then remove immediately into an ice bath to stop the shrimp from overcooking. And finally, generously salt your water and add your pork. Make sure the pork is cooked all the way through. Mine took about 20 minutes, but my pork was very thin, so adjust accordingly. Now let's move on to our peanut sauce, my favorite part. Combine your peanut butter, hoisin sauce, chili paste, and water. Then add 1 grated garlic clove. You can also add Sriracha for a little extra heat and lime juice for a little acidity. You can also add a couple tablespoons of coconut milk for another dimension of flavor. Your peanut butter may be more thick than mine, so add more water if it's too thick. Adjust the sauce to your liking. Prep the rest of your ingredients. Cut the cucumbers into strips. Slice the shrimp in half lengthwise. And slice your pork. Now we're ready to assemble. Of course, we will need rice paper. If you've never used rice paper before, it's very simple. You just need to soak the entire paper in warm water until it is pliable but not completely softened. This should take about 3 to 5 seconds. It should hold its shape and will soften as it sits. Lay the paper down on a cutting board or a flat surface, then add your filling. There are so many variations of spring rolls, you can play around and customize with whatever you like. You can add avocados, carrots, cilantro, bean sprouts, cabbage, and even tofu. The pork and shrimp is what I grew up eating and is a bit more authentic if that's what you're going for. For presentation purposes, if you are using shrimp, place your shrimp with the colorful side face down directly onto the rice paper so that when you roll, you can see the beautiful orange color on the outside. Fold the bottom part up over the filling and then fold the sides in after the first complete turn. Then continue rolling away from you. It's best to serve these rolls immediately after you assemble. Putting them in the refrigerator will make the rice paper hard. Garnish your dipping sauce with some crushed peanuts and a little extra sriracha.